Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your daily energies, Pisces, we are picking few cards. For your relationship, I'll be picking few more cards from another deck, guys, Pisces. So these are for your daily energies, Pisces. These cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So, to give us more clarity, I'll be picking cards from another deck for your relationship, guys. So, these are the cards for your relationship. So, we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So, we will start with your daily energies. So, let's see what are these cards. It's Hierophant in reverse, Knight of Cups in reverse, and Page of Swords. So, with these cards in your situation, Pisces, it may be something to do with your career situation or your personal life situation, guys. So, you are in a good, what to say, with good people today, so you have a great understanding. It may be in your career, people you work with, or in your family members, your siblings, your parents, or someone, your relatives, whoever it is. You have a good understanding with them, good communication with them, and they are here to help you and support you, guys. And I also see that maybe in your situation today, someone is uh, maybe trying to spy on you, or you are trying to gather information about somebody, because there are people in your situation who are working against you, opposing you in some ways. So you are trying to gather information about them, what is their true motives, or why they are, or whether they are trustworthy, reliable. So you want information on them, so you may be finding about them uh, through some people, your friends or family or your colleagues, someone. Or this may be the energy with your relationship, guys. So maybe this person you are in connection with, you feel that you need to know more about them, and you are trying to find more about them, more information about them, or they are trying to find more about you through some common friends. So they are spying on you, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Pisces, for your daily energy. And for some of you, you need to be really uh, careful, guys, when some unknown person is coming towards you to ask you something, find out something about you. You have to be really careful. So they may have some evil intentions towards you. So that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what are these cards for your relationship, guys. So it is Star, Fool, and Queen of Water. Hope you can see the cards here. So with these cards, guys, for your relationship, you have that curiosity in your situation, that enthusiasm to risk anything. So you have that faith in yourself that you can do anything and anything is possible for you. So you are stepping into something without that deep knowledge. Maybe the similar energy we got with the previous cards, guys. So you want to find out more about them. You are quite curious to know more about them. So this connection, this love, it may be a new person in your life, so you don't know much about them. That may be the reason for this energy with this card, guys. And I also see that in your situation today, you have that hope in your future, and this new love is bringing that hope in you that things will be all right for you in future and things will proceed in a positive way. So I see a new person here, guys. That may be the reason for these cards. So you are with a new person in this love. So you are trying to find that understanding with each other, trying to find that bonding, emotional security, and you are healing from your past energies, guys. So maybe your stressful past, whatever it was, you are letting all that go and finding that security and safety in this love. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.